A customer messages your restaurant on WhatsApp asking about your hours or menu. If nobody answers fast, they just go somewhere else. A WhatsApp chatbot fixes that for any business, and it can even book the table for you. In this video, I'll show you how to build one from scratch, using a restaurant as our example, and deploy it live. Let's get into it. Log into your WotNot dashboard and head to the bot builder. Since this bot needs to respond to customers messaging in, click Build a Bot and select Build an Inbound Bot. Then choose WhatsApp as your channel. At this point, WotNot gives you a few ready-made templates you can start from. But to show you exactly how the logic works, we'll build this one from scratch. First, the trigger block. Here, you connect it to the WhatsApp number you'll be using. Once connected, any incoming message to that number will trigger this bot. We'll walk through actually connecting that number a bit later in this video, during deployment. Right after the trigger, add an AI agent block. First, write the prompt. You are a helpful assistant for Sundowner Bistro. Greet customers warmly and answer questions about hours, menu, and location using only the connected knowledge base. Be warm and concise. Right below that, set up one exit path. Name it Reservation Handoff. In the description, list what should trigger it. The customer asks to book a table or mentions wanting to make a reservation. Set the required variables on this exit path to collect what you need to confirm a reservation: name, party size, and any special requests. The AI agent naturally asks for these in conversation once that intent is detected, so we know who's booking, for how many, and anything special to account for before moving to scheduling. Finally, connect the AI agent block to a knowledge base. Upload your menu, hours, location, and parking details here. The AI agent answers naturally from this instead of you scripting every possible question. Once that exit path fires with name, party size, and any special requests collected, add a Google Calendar block. Connect your Google account, and this block shows the customer your real open table slots right inside the WhatsApp conversation. Once they pick one, it books the reservation on your calendar, including any special requests as event notes, and sends a confirmation. No manual back and forth needed. Now let's deploy this. Go to Settings, then Channels, and select WhatsApp. Connect your WhatsApp business number. WotNot supports this through the WhatsApp Business API, so make sure you have that set up with your provider first. If you haven't connected a WhatsApp Business API number yet, check out our video on exactly how to do that. Links up above and in the description. Once connected, open your bot and go to the trigger block, and from the dropdown, set the trigger to the WhatsApp number you just added. Finally, just click Deploy and toggle the bot on. Once enabled, it's live and ready to handle incoming messages. Let's test it. I'll message the number from my phone and ask, "What time do you close on weekends?" There's the AI agent's answer, straight from the knowledge base. Now let's say, I'd like to book a table for 4. It asks for my name, then shows me real open slots. I'll pick one, and there's the confirmation, sent right back over WhatsApp. And that's a working restaurant chatbot, live in minutes, no code required. One that answers real questions and books a real table straight onto your calendar. This same structure works for any business needing bookings, not just restaurants, salons, clinics, services, you name it. Try it free at wotnot.io and let me know in the comments what flow you want to see built next.